So I'm back. I'm taped. I'm push pinned. And you can see I'm working in a mess. So we'll see how that works, because you know, my assistant daughters want me to save this stuff and let them become skins. Anyway, so we're gonna use not as long. So this is my basic white mixture. So it is 8 ounces of Floetrol, 4 ounces of Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White, and 3 ounces of water. So just to get me covered here. So paints that I'm going to be using are the same colors I used in my last little video that I just did, where I made this huge mess. So definitely, although it turned out really pretty, we're definitely going to try not to make a huge mess this time. You know, since I'm working in my dining room, because I don't have a paint space yet. Yeah, it's not my husband's fault, really. I have lots going on in my world right now. That's okay. So, try to... All right, my colors. I've got the Look at Me Blue from Folk Art, actually. Some Look at Me Blue that was already pre-mixed out of that bottle I just showed you. I added 2 doubles of the Artist Loft Ivory Black. And then, so I have that here. It's a really deep blue-gray, really dark blue. And then I'm also using, where did I put it? Oh, I have the Artist Loft Silver, metallic silver. And then this beautiful like eggplant color that I mixed some pre-mixed deep red by Artist Loft with the Look at Me Blue pre-mixed from Artist Loft. I actually did 2 ounces of the red and 1 ounce of the blue and mixed that up together of the pre-mixed. So just because I just needed a small amount. So as the colors we're working with, haven't decided exactly what I'm doing with this one yet and how I'm maneuvering it. Let's go ahead and pop the bubbles in my, just a quick pass over to those bubbles. Okay, got that. And so the last time I did a Dutch pour just a minute ago, well, I get this is not quite even out. Let's try to get that to flow to itself. There we go, attach to itself. There we go. And then made a huge mess because I used the big blow dryer. So I definitely don't want to do that this time. I don't want to make a huge mess. But I really love the colors and the way they turned out. I love the way the painting turned out. And so, you know, that's a totally okay thing. And so I want to try something a little different. So I think I'm going to do a dirty pour. That's what they call that. So this is an old, I'm reusing it, cup. So it's been dry for a couple of days, so that should not affect my paints, my paint colors. So I'm gonna start with the purple down in there. And then I'm gonna put some silver. Oops, gotta hold that up a little bit better so you can see that. I guess I'm kind of maybe working backwards. I don't know. Then I want some of the Look at Me Blue. I want some of this really dark, deep blue. Let's see if you can get that in there. Okay. A little bit more silver. Yeah, I want to get that silver to pop in there. I'm going to put some more of the purple. I really like the purple. Put that in there. Some more of the Look at Me Blue. And then I'm going to see if I can sit this where you guys can see it okay. And I'm going to add like the rest of this really dark blue that I mixed up. Yep. I touched it with my hand. Yay me. Okay. So that's what that looks like at the moment. So you guys can see that. And I don't know, we're just gonna see what happens. How's that? So I'm gonna do this. Just kind of going where it goes. I don't have any really cool music for you. Not really any crazy stories. Oh, yep. So this morning I packed my son off. Actually, packed him off yesterday to the MEPS station, which is where they do their final swear-in and everything for the Navy, and then he flew out this morning to boot camp. So yeah, that's a big crazy thing for me since he's in the Navy. So let me pop some bubbles here. Bubbles. Okay. And then we're gonna do some tilting, and let's see what happens. Actually, I want to do some blowing before I tilt. And you'll notice I didn't add any extra weight to this. We're just gonna go this, and I'm gonna use my little tiny blower, and let's see what we get. Ooh, I like that. I love the mixture of the colors in there. Turn around and come back this way a little bit. Alright, I'm going to come back this way. And let's play with this over here. I really like the way this is looking. I hope you guys, please leave comments. Tell me what you think about what I'm doing, something else I could try. This looks like a big puddle of paint. We want to move that so that it's not too big in the center there. What do you think, guys? I'm going to go this way one more time. Just a little bit more towards that head. There you go. Okay. Wipe the paint off my little blower. I know what you think. I think, let's see, maybe get you guys better into your, I don't know that you can see that very well. Sorry, I really am new at this thing. That's why I have daughters who will turn around and edit for me. Of course, that doesn't put it back in the frame, does it? But there you go. So that's what it looks like this. So, you know, should I torch it? But I have a little spot right here where I can see the canvas. I need to fix that. This is the same mixture that I have in the big bottle right here. So basically, so all of my paint mixture is the same. It is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And then you add water to get it the desired consistency. For me, I have found that that is 3/4 of the amount of paint that I use. So that little spot right there. All right. I don't know, what do you think? Think I should just leave it? Think I should stretch it? I don't know. Should I try to give a few more cells? Did I do this already? Let's go quick. Once over. Get some cells popping up in there. You see it goes on over there. I like it. Okay, what do you think, guys? I don't know. All right, well, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you'll know when I'm posting new videos. Thanks for watching and being with me on this journey of learning. You know, all I did was see some videos on YouTube and went, oh, I could do that. And here I am. And decided that people needed to know what that meant. What's it feel like when you just say, oh, I can do that, and you start doing it. And so all the little things, you're actually learning with me instead of me getting really good and starting out with stuff good and going back and say, well, here's a video about things I learned. That wasn't something I wanted to do. I wanted you to actually just come right along the journey with me. So there you go. Not sure what to call it yet, but we'll figure that out. Talk to you again soon.